Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by loading your shot into Nuke and immediately set the correct frame range and color space. Add a tracker node, pick the tracking type based on motion, translate for simple moves, perspective for complex parallax. Place 3 to 5 tracking points on high contrast, stable features so you have redundancy. You do this now because clean initial tracks reduce drift later, once placed. Scrub a few frames to confirm the patches, cover the target throughout the movement. Once initial tracks exist, track forward and then backward to expose inconsistencies. You watch correlation and error metrics to judge quality. If a track slips, you lock it, tweak the patch or search size, and retrack that segment. This fixes local failures without rerunning everything. After consistent results, bake the tracking data into transforms or convert to a corner pin for retiming. This step freezes the solve, so downstream compositing uses stable. Now attach your plate, graphic, or cleanup paint to the solved data using a transform or corner pin node. Make sure you match scale and rotation so the element reads in the scene. If occlusions or long motion breaks a track, add secondary trackers, use roto to isolate the area, or paint over problematic frames. If things go wrong, check frame sampling, increase patch size, or add manual keyframes for consistency. These fixes preserve visual continuity and keep your composite believable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.